have arrived. Cafe 93. Okay, we're in here at Cafe 93 and we've placed our order with our waitress Hannah.
Hello.
And I told her we were going to feature Cafe 93 on our YouTube video, and she was telling us something we didn't know.
We got nominated for 7 different categories in the Best of the Tri-Cities, and it was, let's see, Best Breakfast, Best Brunch, Best Sweet Tea, Best Burger, Best Dining Establishment, and Best Business Lunch. I think that was it. There was 7 of them.
So you've been nominated in all those categories is awesome. So the results will be coming out pretty soon.
I think they're before Fun Fest.
Okay.
So here in a few weeks they should be coming out. So other years that we've got nominated for a couple of things, but never has it been 7 different things.
Okay.
So
great.
We were excited.
You all deserve it.
Thank you.
Okay, if y'all have never been to Cafe 93, you need to make it a stop. They have an awesome menu.
I was going to say, you do want mayonnaise on yours, right?
Yes.
Okay, you want mustard?
Everything, yeah.
Okay, mustard too. That was my one question after you told me no mustard, or
No
you wanted
mayonnaise.
mayonnaise, no mustard.
Yeah.
And you said a fry too.
Yes, thank you.
Well, the burger I'm getting is a large burger.
Yeah, it's the big burger. She wanted the small one.
Yeah. How big is that burger?
They're like a half pound.
Well, that's great.
Yeah.
I was in here before. They look like a pound to me.
They're thick burgers.
Oh,
They don't
yeah.
actually necessarily weigh them, so you sometimes they're.
Get your money's worth.
You get your money's worth. You do.
Yeah.
Hey guys.
Okay, Joe ordered his hamburger. It's a thick burger, she said half pound. Boy, it did look bigger than that last time we had it, didn't it?
Absolutely.
And I've got a child's burger, so it'll be a thinner piece of meat. And let me show you the desserts on the wall and their daily special.
Another kid was a preacher. He preached the whole sermon. This is over at Base Mountain. But yeah, they just. Right. Tim didn't get up there until like the last 3 minutes just to say, have a nice day. This is what's going on this week.
Look how thick that burger is.
Food you provided for us. Thank you for all the blessings you've given us. Turn everything over to you. In your precious name. Thank you, Jesus.
Say Happy Independence Day, Happy 4th of July.
Yes, I second that.
It's going to be a scorcher today, honey.
Yeah, it's going to be tough out there.
We worked some outside yesterday and it wore us out. It's kind of a hectic day yesterday, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was. It was terrible.
We thought he had the water faucet fixed outside, but once we turned it on and used it and turned it back off, it was pouring. The leak was there, so we went and bought a whole new replacement for it. And thankfully, when we started to work on it, take the old one off and the new one in, and my brother shows up, so he was able to help us and save the day. But it took us a while to get that done, didn't it?
Yeah, it did.
In the heat. But thankful it's done now. So today we're having a 4th of July celebration with our neighbor. He always invites a bunch of friends over and has fireworks and a meal, and we all bring a dish. So Today I'm going to make a rotini pasta salad and a chocolate cake to take over there. So happy 4th of July, y'all. Hope you have a good one.
Enjoy the best. Leave it up to the rest.
And pray for America. God bless America.
Absolutely.
Amen. For the rotini pasta salad, I've got this Wacky Mac vegetable spiral noodles. I'm not going to make a big batch because there's several people bringing things, so I'm just going to make half that bag. And I put broccoli, pepperoni, red onion, bell pepper, cucumber, and tomato in it with zesty Italian dressing and some mozzarella cheese and Parmesan cheese. Now, Joe has eyed the pepperoni.
Yes.
He said, "What are you going to do with that pepperoni?" And I said, "I'm putting it in the salad." He wants to eat some, so there you go. Do you want me to fix you an omelet and put some pepperoni in it?
Thank you very much.
Do you want me to fix you an omelet for breakfast and put some pepperoni in it?
No, it's just a salad here.
All right.
Whatever, you can't go wrong on it.
Okay. So the salad is made, and you can see it's made a pretty big bowl, just making half of a recipe. So I'll put the recipe, as usual, in the description box below this video. And I'll put it in the refrigerator and let it chill all day, and it'll be ready to go tonight for our 4th of July dinner party. This salad is such a good, refreshing salad on a hot summer day, and it is delicious. I actually made a half recipe earlier this week for me and Joe, and he just finished that off for his breakfast. So did you like the salad?
I really did. It was good, really good.
Good combination of flavors, isn't it?
Yeah.
And it's cold and refreshing.
Yeah, it was ready to go when it got here.
Now, Joe likes black olives.
No, I don't.
Oh, you don't? I thought you did.
No.
Well, okay.
I like olives, but not black olives.
Oh, you like olives, but not black olives.
Right.
Okay. Well, we leave the black olives out of the recipe because I don't like them either. And it's really good. So y'all try it and see if you enjoy it for your hot summer day. Getting ready to ice the cake. I actually made the cake last night, and it's easy. I'll put the recipe in the description box, but this is called Black Magic cake. Let me see. Yep, Black Magic cake recipe. So I just made the chocolate icing, and it's nice and creamy. I'm going to put it on here. And this is one of our favorite cakes. It's moist and good chocolate flavor to it. And I think it'll be good for our 4th of July dinner tonight with our friends. Well, it's 9 p.m. We got the horses in. It's 4th of July, and fireworks will be going off everywhere around us. I really don't know what to expect this year with it being so dry. I don't know if there'll be as many fireworks going. But I sit down here with my horses so they don't get scared, too scared. They do okay with just general fireworks, but when it's really loud, like cannons going off and the ground shakes, that's when especially Skipper gets anxious. There goes one. It's okay, Skipper. It's okay, Skipper. Easy, girl. Easy, girl. Easy, girl.